We've been inaugurating the government village ground of Basora, which was a long pending issue from 2004, which was taken up then, which a note was moved to Manohar Bhai Parrikar. And today we are very happy. On this particular day, we are inaugurating the ground. In fact, the total cost of the ground is almost 2 crores 69 lakhs. And with a lot of efforts of Savio Martin, with his help and with all the members, they managed to have a beautiful ground. And I must thank my Honorable Chief Minister for financing us. The Sports Minister, earlier Ramesh Taurkar, gave me all the support, and now it was Manohar Azgonkar. But unfortunately, due to heavy function and busy schedule, he couldn't make it here. And last minute, he just gave me a call saying that he's caught up somewhere. So now we are all inaugurating the ground with all the people, as you see behind me, with huge numbers. And this evening, I think Savio has arranged a football game among 2 wards. And we'll make sure that the people take the best benefit of this ground. And all the youth and even the senior citizens make the best use by doing their walks, playing, and all good sports activities so that they can take care of their health.
वो आमचे एक व्हडलो अचीवमेंट जावन आसा बुस्तोडकारां कित्याक दीस ग्राउंड कैन बी यूज्ड बाय ऑल sections of people, old, young, youth. Everybody can take advantage of this particular ground. They can go for walking, football, and other activities.